In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Drive to Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Slack application on your device, or if you prefer, you can navigate to Slack in your web browser. Once you're there, sign in using your email credentials. If you're looking for a quicker way, there's an option to log in with your Google or Apple account. Just a few clicks, and you'll be all set up. Once you've signed in, the next step is to select the specific Slack workspace where you want to integrate Google Drive. This is important because you want to make sure you're connecting it to the right workspace where you'll be collaborating with your team. Now let's move on to the next step. You'll need to open the Slack app directory. To do this, look at the sidebar on your Slack interface. There, you should see an icon or link labeled Apps or Browse Apps. Go ahead and click on that. This action will open the Slack app directory marketplace, which is where you can find all kinds of useful integrations. Now that we're in the app directory, it's time to find Google Drive. Locate the search bar inside the directory and type in Google Drive. This will filter the results for you. You'll see the official Google Drive app in the search results. Go ahead and click on Open in Slack. This action will start the integration process. Next up, you'll need to authorize and complete the setup. Follow the on-screen prompts that will appear. These prompts are essential because they'll ask you to grant the necessary permissions for Slack to access your Google Drive files. It's important to carefully read through these authorization prompts. Once you've reviewed them and feel comfortable, confirm the connection. Keep an eye out for the Google Drive app. Once the setup is successfully completed, you should see it appear under the Apps section in your Slack sidebar. This confirmation indicates that you're ready to go. And guess what? With the setup complete, you now have the ability to share files from Google Drive directly within your Slack chats. No more jumping back and forth between different platforms. This will save you time and make collaboration with your team much smoother. Now, you can easily drop files into your conversations or channels, which can be a real game changer for productivity. Imagine discussing a project with your team and you can instantly share a document without leaving Slack. It really streamlines the workflow. So that's it. You've successfully connected Google Drive to Slack, and now you're ready to make the most out of this fantastic integration. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks regarding productivity tools and